You want a faceless YouTube empire that actually makes money, using generative video AI tools to do the heavy lifting. This is a practical how-to you can follow step by step. Ready? Let's dive in. Pick a profitable niche first. Choose something specific and searchable. Product reviews, top 10 lists, finance explainers, life hacks, AI tools, or relaxing visuals with ambient narration. The narrower your niche, the easier it is to rank and build a loyal audience. Validate demand with basic research, keyword volume, related channels, and comment threads. If people are already watching similar videos, that's a green light. Design a repeatable content formula. Faceless channels thrive on consistency. Format, length, pacing, and thumbnail style. Decide your video length. 5 to 12 minutes often balances watch time and production cost. Outline a template. Hook, 0 to 15 seconds. Promise, main content with 3 to 7 bullet points, a short recap, and a call to action, subscribe, playlist, or link. Repeatability makes scripting, batch production, and scaling simple. Write tight scripts. Use clear, conversational language in the second person. Speak to the viewer's needs and curiosity. Keep sentences short and visuals in mind. Note where an AI-generated image, screen capture, or B-roll should appear. Add timing cues for captions or scene changes. Good scripts reduce wasted rendering time and speed up work. Choose the right generative tools. Text-to-speech, TTS, has improved drastically. Pick a natural-sounding voice that matches your brand. Use AI video generators for visuals or motion backgrounds, and AI image tools for custom thumbnails and overlays. Combine them. Synthesize voice, plus animated slides, plus stock clips. Keep a short list of reliable tools and learn their strengths and quirks. Create thumbnails that pop. Even faceless channels need thumb-stopping images. Use bold text, strong contrast, a single focal object, and a consistent color palette. Add simple emotive elements, arrows, emojis, or rating stars to cue value quickly. A/B test variations to learn what converts better. Optimize titles and descriptions for search and clicks. Lead with a focused keyword phrase and add a promise or curiosity hook. In descriptions, include a brief summary, timestamps, and links to related videos, playlists. Use tags and chapters for discoverability. Remember, SEO gets you initial viewers. Retention and engagement turn them into subscribers. Focus on watch time and engagement. Generative visuals are powerful, but pacing matters. Keep scenes moving every 6 to 12 seconds, add subtle motion, and use short musical stings to reset attention. Ask one timely question in the middle to prompt comments. Create playlists that guide viewers from one video to the next. Autoplay and suggested content feed your watch time. Monetize strategically. Start with YouTube Partner Program once eligible, but don't stop there. Add affiliate links for products you mention, create digital products or templates, and explore sponsorships for mid-sized channels. Consider memberships, Patreon-style extras, or automated courses tied to your niche. Multiple income streams lower risk. Scale with batching and outsourcing. Batch script writing, voice rendering, thumbnail creation, and scheduling. Outsource tasks like research, editing tweaks, and customer messages. Hire freelancers familiar with your tools. Initially, one reliable editor and thumbnail designer can multiply output without sacrificing quality. Track metrics and iterate. Watch retention graphs, click-through rate, CTR, and traffic sources weekly. Double down on topics that keep viewers past the 50% mark. If CTR is low, tweak thumbnails and titles. If retention drops at the same timestamp across videos, rework your script structure. Small optimizations compound quickly. Mind legal and ethical limits. Use licensed music and stock assets, or those with clear commercial rights. Disclose affiliate links and sponsorships. Don't misrepresent AI-generated voices as real experts in a way that could mislead. Respect privacy and copyright. A small legal misstep can undo months of growth. Protect brand and longevity. Build an email list and a website so you're not solely dependent on YouTube's algorithm. Cross-post clips to shorts and social media to funnel viewers back to long-form content. Maintain a consistent upload cadence. Even one high-quality video per week is better than sporadic bursts. Stay adaptable. AI tools evolve fast. Test new features, but only add them if they improve retention or efficiency. Keep a feedback loop with comments and community posts to learn what viewers actually want. Final practical checklist. Choose niche, set a formula, write scripts, pick tools, batch produce, optimize thumbnails/titles, post consistently, monitor metrics, monetize, and scale. Follow that roadmap and you'll build a faceless YouTube channel that's not only low effort to run, but steadily profitable. Fire intelligence.